It's here from Amazon Prime. We got 2 days free shipping. We're gonna be unboxing the world's first all new Mobizen earphones. These are our first. I found them while I was on the Mobizen app. It recommended to get these headphones right here.
We got these headphones that are cool.
Yeah, these headphones, they're gonna allow us to eliminate background noise and record our screen with internal sound. That includes our commentary, so we can add our voice while we're playing.
So I'm gonna open it, guys. Open it. I got it. Need help. It has tape. What's that? Huh?
Let's pull these bad boys out and check them out, see how they feel. You get some little extra gummies right here. Small ones. Some regular size ones. And here's the headphones. There's the controls. This button right here is for the earphone, just for the earphone function to work. The one in the middle is so the mic could be off, and the one on top is the mic on. Right now it's on headphone function. We're gonna test these out on our device. You can find these headphones in the link down below. I'm going to put them for you guys so you can go straight to the page, check them out, learn more about them for yourself. We're right here on my tablet. I already got the Mobizen app open, headphones plugged in. I'm going to pull up a game. Whoa. Yeah. Here's the headphones. That's them playing right there. They're pretty loud. Volume's all the way up. I can hear them. I'm going to check if it records. So the mic is off right now. I'm going to turn the mic on. I'm going to hit the switch all the way to the bottom. So the mic should be on right now. I'm going to record. Mobizen's recording right now. I can hear the game while it's recording. And it should be recording my voice. Normally without the headphones, you wouldn't be able to hear the game. It would be silent because it'll only be getting the internal sound. And if you want to add your voice without the headphones, usually it sounds really nasty, but right now I got the headphones on. I'm recording my voice on the game. So I'm gonna stop recording and then we're gonna check if my voice came out. This is what I just recorded. That's the video playing. You could hear my voice. It did come out. It does sound pretty clear, but the game volume was a little too high. So we're going to retry that with lower game volume settings. And we're going to see how my voice comes out over it. Let's go back to the game, lower that sound because it was loud. So far, so good. Looks like it works. Back in the game. Let's get these headphones plugged back in. Right now I'm using the all new Fire HD 10 tablet, 10-inch screen. Perfect for gaming. Back in the game, got the headphones on. Sounds good. I'm gonna go to the volume settings. Lower these volumes. Alright, the music's loud. We got it halfway now. It was all the way up there. Alright. I can still hear the jams. Now I'm going to add my commentary. I got the headphones on the microphone function right there. We're going to record. We're recording right now. We're in the game. Alright. Woo! Sounds are clear. We'll go multiplayer. There we go. Hit it. Let's get it. We got to drift through all these gates right here. Alright. Stop this recording. Then we'll check out our video and see what we got. Push play. We can start a game. Going a little slow. Want to be my slow Wi-Fi. Sounds are clear. Play. That's the video playing right now. That's my commentary. Good video sound. If you adjust the volume of the game a little lower, you can get it just right to where your voice sounds good. So when you upload it, your voice will sound more powerful than the sound of the game, and you can get a nice, good video out there with good, clear audio. I like the way the microphone was picking up sounds around it. It's very sensitive, and it sounds pretty clear. Overall, I'm pretty happy getting the world's first all new Game Duck and Mobizen headset, the headphones with the mic function built in. This will allow you to get your gaming experience to the next level. Again, if you want to check these out for yourself, I'm going to put in the link down below so you can look at them for yourself. See items like this and similar items at different prices, higher prices, lower prices, and ones just like these. If you do decide to get them, I get a small cut at no extra cost to you, so I appreciate that. Until next time, I'll catch you in the next video. You never know what we're going to be opening next or what we're going to be uploading. Peace!